Huh? Where are you going? Are you trying to sneak through? Well, come on here. Here, I'll give you an Uber. Come here. Here, come here. What's on your feet? Okay, he doesn't know what he wants tonight. He's just running around in circles. Here, you come with me, Coco. You come out here. I'm in here now, okay? We're in here now. He's gonna be tired. They were whining all day. They wanted to come out, right? So I said, okay, let's come out then early. I'll finish work early. And we all can have outside time. Lots of it. Right, Coco? Coco's handling it well. Everyone else is handling it well, but this little guy is not. It's too much for him. You want to get on my shoulder and I'll put Oakley on my lap? Here. Come here, sweetie. I gotcha. Oh, boy. Good boy. There we go, okay? Can we have two on laps? There we go, okay? We can all have quiet time. Coco is on my shoulder. Whoa, Coco's on my shoulder. And Mr. Needy McNeedy is on my lap. As I was saying, hi. Hi. Okay, you can both be on my lap. That's good. Anyways, Oakley was whining and whining. He wanted to come out, so that's fine. Right? That's fine, right, Oakley? Right? So I said, okay, you guys can come out early, okay? Yeah, and then he just whined. He ran around the house just being whiny. He just wants to sit on my lap, right, Coco? And you be nice. There we go. You be nice. You be nice, okay? Yeah. There we go. See? And here comes Miss skimming a rinky dink. Everyone wants my lap tonight. Yeah. Anyways, I sat on the ground with him. I made him this nice bed. He liked it. He sat on that for a while. Well, his bed from his sleeper place. He was excited to see that, and he played in that for a bit. But then he just started wandering around. I think it's too much for you to come out early like that. You know what I mean? It's too much. Yeah. You're not used to being out running around all this time, are you? Yeah. Yeah. How come every video I do, there's always garbage behind it? Huh? Is that your garbage? You talking to me now? He's like, I just want to sit on your lap. I don't want to do running around town. I just want to sit on your lap. Hi. Coco, I think he's needier than you. Hi. 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 Poor YouTubers, they can't see what's going on. So let's do a switcheroo. And then you guys can see what's going on here. Oh, there we go. We got birds on laps. There we go. Okay. That's it. Right, Coco? He's having a rough Friday. Yeah. Definitely, he's definitely more spoiled than Coco. Well, I don't know if he's more spoiled, but he's pretty high maintenance. And what's going on YouTube? I see 20 people watching, but no one's talking. Did I miss everybody? Did I say something? Did they say, oh, we're leaving? Just hi, everybody. I wasn't going to go live, but I thought, oh, I'll go live and then we can get some lap time in. You haven't seen us in a long time? No test results. Actually, I gotta check on Barney, see what his was. Has he said anything about his test result? Barney's? Oh, I had so much work to do. When did we get Oakley? I think he came home the week before Christmas. He cannot fly. It's good they can sit on the lap together. That's good. New Hampshire. Is it snowing there? I heard there's a bunch of snow over in the east. We haven't even had below freezing temps yet. What's going on there? Used to switch channels. Better view over there. I wonder why. It'd be nice if I could stream from one device onto two platforms. Oh, 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 oh. Thank you, Sally. See that? Hey, don't you pull his tail. Oakley, you should have left that tail at the vet. How many? We got 7 birds. There's Newman. And there's Rue. Kiwi just had a shower today. Yes. We'll see how he goes back on the 15th, and then she tells me how he's doing, and then we assess whether it's a Dr. Foster at that time. Yeah, April. You guys get used to videos. Oakley's always watching. He doesn't he doesn't have his own life yet. If you notice my videos now, there's always a flash of Oakley. Two Wandas in chat. Oh, we gotta do the switcheroo. Or did I miss it? No cat ears? Did I miss it? Thank you so much, you guys. Anyway, so he's always going to be in the background. He'll always have a cameo in videos, won't you? He's always spying, right? Follows me around like a puppy dog. on the ground. What are you guys all doing this weekend? Well, not you. I know what you're doing. You're whining and following me everywhere. That's what you're doing. Hey, you're whining. You whine. You're a whiny. It's like I'm trying to. Usually, like I worked usually till 3, and the birds have their quiet time, right? And there you guys can see Coco. Anyways, he came out. They were all whining, so I said, okay, well, I won't work. I'll stop working at 1, so everyone can have not as much quiet time, right, Oakley? Oh, we got a pig. I do not too bad with it as a pig. Wish I had the pig filter all the time. He belongs to the vet. So on January 15th, she's going to check him out and see how he's doing. Daphne, you haven't been there. You haven't seen Oakley. And then it's up to Oakley. If he's doing well, then she says I can adopt him. And we'll go from there. But I mean, if he's losing weight and miserable, of course he wouldn't stay here. But I doubt it because he is just a piggy pants. He loves his nuts. He loves his corn and vegetables. See, he has to be center of attention now. He's getting a little much, a little spoiled. You're going to dinner tomorrow night with your brother. Okay, she'll let me have him. He seems to be doing okay. Okay. What? 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 Anyways, he just doesn't. So he's been out for so long that he doesn't know what to do with himself. So he followed me and whined, and every time he whined, of course, I'm like trying to soothe him, like, what's wrong? What's wrong? He doesn't really have his palate is pretty plain. He eats grapes, mixed vegetables, and pellets. He doesn't eat, like, table foods at all. He doesn't like the mash. Yeah. See, you just too much talking. You've been talking all day. Hi. He's like Cookie, but he's not. I think he's more spoiled than Coco. Or needier. He's not as clown. He's not. Hi. Hey. They're supposed to be clowns. Red Front and Macaws are supposed to be clowns. I haven't seen any clowny stuff lately. What's going on? Oakley. Oakley, Lisa's late. Did you say hi to her? I'm just talking about how spoiled Oakley is already. He's got me running around. Oh, hello. I haven't heard that one yet. Hello. Wow. Maybe you talk more than I know. Hello, Oakley. Did you hear him? Oakley, are you going to steal the page from us? Huh? I think he's going to steal our page. You guys. It's going to be Oakley, Lou, and Coco Too. Right? Are you going to steal it? Are you going to steal our page from Coco? Hi. I think he's going to steal our page. Newman's mad. Hey, Newman? Don't be mad, Newman. Don't steal our page, okay? Is he my bird? He is my foster birdie right now. Yeah. Fetch me a lemon Coke. Definitely. He whines and like, what? Oakley, Lou, and Coco Too. Yeah, exactly. Oh, we got more pig ears. Wait. Oh no, they're cat ears, right? I think I definitely look. If I could wear cat ears all the time, I'd be very happy. Then I wouldn't have to wear makeup. Hi. 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 Where YouTube? Maybe I should let's put YouTube here so you guys can see the face. Ugh. You can see the face he's making at me. Hold on. What'd you say? No, I still can't do it. There's Newman and Bruce climbing all over trying to get her spot on my lap. Anyway, so yeah, what's going on, everybody? Coco will always be the star. Did you hear that, Coco? Lucky Lou and Coco Too. That's right. I think it is going to be. What? Oh yeah, he looks like he should live on a ship, right? Yeah, like a pirate. You should be in the movies, don't you think? People would like you in the movies, I think. Huh? He's in his 30s. My house is 20s and 30 age range. Right? We don't like the young birds. They're too much work, right, Oakley? Oh my gosh, I can't see. You guys are going to have to look at Newman so I can properly talk to everybody. Hi. Aw, someone takes care of the animals. That's right. Izzy's good. Well, don't you two fight on my shoulder. Actually, you guys can watch Coco. Izzy's good. She seems good. Did she eat her food today? Yes. You should be on if you're in Canada, our telephone provider, TELUS, they do TELUS mobility commercials with birds, colorful birds. Bye, Susan. Enjoy your dinner. Do you want to apply for that? Do you want to be in the movies? Huh? Yeah? Okay. Coco's on my shoulder. She's guarding me from Rue. I used to help my mom work at an aviary. It was awful. Why was it awful? There's a new color, jade gray, on in my favorite clothing store, Lululemon. Yeah, you're very talky. Yeah. You want to go somewhere? Yeah? Yeah, he would be good in a TELUS commercial, wouldn't he? If you're Canadian, you know what I mean, the TELUS commercials. On the 15th, he goes to see Dr. McDonald. I still want to give him a bath, though. That sticky chin needs to be cleaned up. That's medicine, right? Hi. He's kind of like Cookie because he keeps saying hi. Just Cookie said, hi, ho. Hi. Do you want to go on TELUS? I'll wait till I adopt him before I start doing stuff like that. Hi. Hi. Do you want to come over here? Hi. He's tired. It's a big day. I don't know. I showed. How will I give him a bath? Well, I showed him Kiwi having a bath, and he was very curious. And then after she was done, I kind of went in there and put his tail under the shower, and he didn't like that. You didn't like that, did you? Hope you got the roaming U.S. covered. Oh, yuck, Nick. Don't tell me that. That's the way they usually are. Did you get to show a tuck-in last night? No tuck-ins last night. Yeah, Nick. I wouldn't want to work there either. Nick's mom used to work at an aviary, breeder birds. Birds didn't get taken out. They got food and water and stayed in warehouses for decades. Yuck. I gave him a little spray today. He doesn't like that either. Did you say hi, Oakley? Did you guys hear that? What did he say? Well, that's where birds come from. Baby birds. I tried spraying him. He didn't like it. Well, he for sure would have gotten sprayed at the vet. But I don't want to do that to him yet. He's not enjoying it. messy, loud. A lot of people can't handle it mentally, and the novelty wore off after a few. They would get returned. The birds would sit and spin or have repetitive behavior. Ugh. Yep. He said, "What are you doing? Are you sure?" Okay, so what are you guys doing for the weekend? Do you guys have anything to look forward to? Paula's going out for dinner again. Newman's tired. Ruth's antagonizing Coco. Nothing fun, just work. We have plenty of room in Canada for U.S. people. Oh, I don't know. Do many U.S. citizens move here? Not really. I don't know. Try to sink water? I will. We're just taking it easy. Golden Globe Awards are on Sunday. Do you know my favorite part today? Waking up. I love waking up and going downstairs and starting all my screaming. And then going to bed. My favorite parts of the day. You're sick. You're having friends over. January's boring. Grocery shopping. Yeah, Lou and Coco, they interact at least once a day. Well, it sounds like a breeding place. What do you want to do? Do you want to get down and waddle around? Uh, is Coco jealous of Oakley? Not really. He was sitting on my lap, and she got a little jealous, so I let her sit with me. She is jealous of his walnuts, because he gets 2 walnuts a day. His medicine is in. No, don't you get into anything. He gets medicine in his walnuts, so she stares at him, eating them. Like she hangs on the cage walls and stares at him eating his walnuts. What do you want? Do you want to go in your cage and get a... You guys still here? No audio. Okay. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. Uh, can you hear me on Facebook? You guys can hear me on YouTube, but can you hear me? Yes, Oakley. I put Oakley away because he was being whiny. He wants a snack and a drink. Okay, everyone can hear me. Okay, Coco, come here. No, come here. Here. Sit on my lap. There we go. It could be hidden in food, but birds figure it out. He likes having it on walnuts. It's his favorite thing. And like he's so anxious to get his medicine every day. He loves to eat. He loves his pellets. Is the screen? Ugh. No, something happened where my Siri came on. My Siri came on. That's why. I don't know how. Would you want to come back out? See how he wants, and then he wants. He wanted to go in, and then now he wants. There's motion in the garden. Hold on, let's see what's going on out there. Who is it, Newman? Yeah, I put him in because he was trying to fly to the cage, and then I get him in there, and now he's staring at me like he wants to be on my lap. He is an actor, for sure. Aw, bird blood, that's nice. Yep, that's why he gets 2 walnuts a day. Do you want to come back out? Huh? This is what he's been doing to me all day. Oat milk? You give your bird medicine in oat milk? The thing I don't like doing is putting it in food because don't you guys fight because I'm afraid they're not going to get it all. But what? You don't want to come out. You want to come out. Or you don't. What do you want? What do you want? Treats is what you want, don't you? You want treats. You want me to pet you. You want to be in your cage. You want treats. See, he's kind of like, this is what he's been like all day. I don't know what he wants. He is. I'm going to, look at him. See? He didn't want to come out, but he wants to sit there and beg to come out. He loves a new bird. I'm going to have to start just... Yeah, he wants to be in the cage with me near him. Exactly, Paul. I can't. I can't do that, Oakley. I have lots of birds. And I have dishes, and I got dinners. You can get... You think he's hormonal? You put bird medicine on crackers? Brad did say no more birds, but... I told him when he was having a couple drinks. When we were in Vegas, I told him after a couple drinks. I said, oh, by the way, I think I'm going to get a new bird. And he was fine. See, that's what you gotta do, right? You gotta get them drunk. He's flapping his wings. That's his way of begging to come out. Or he's begging for something. He wants his treats. I think he wants his medicine. Do you want your medicine? What time is it? 5:30. It's too early for medicine. He's the only one who gets treats before dinner. There you go. Look at him. He's so happy. Oakley will be printing his handbook out for me. Look at it. See, he's sitting there pretty. That's all he wants is his treats. Brad's resigned to the birds. He is. And what about Newman? Newman's been a good boy, haven't you, Newman? Yeah, you're putting up with all the BS around here all the time. You're always putting up with BS, eh, Newman? Yeah, he likes his cage. As long as it's got treats in it, he loves his vegetables. You should see how happy he is in the morning when he's got a full bowl of vegetables. I started giving him, you know how you guys, yeah, I can't remember, Lisa. It is good. She gets mad. At 6 o'clock, she starts yelling at me, like, get the birds in, it's my turn. Jimmy Newman merch? No one buys it. Bird Love would buy it, and Joanne. Joanne has a chimney, she'd buy it. Newman's angry. Anyways, you know he can't have toys in his cage because he rubs his face against them? Uh, Netflix series. Oh, what was I saying? Reading the chat and getting distracted. Oh, yeah, so I put a dish of foot toys in his cage. I hate that he doesn't have any in there. Because he loves toys, but he's just turned into a bird that just rubs his face on them. See, now he wants another treat. Yeah, he loves his full bowl of vegetables. He picks out the banana, throws out the beans, eats the corn first, and then he'll have peas. Eat all the corn, then eat the peas. He got something stuck in his throat. No Sid, Newman, or Duncan. I turned the music off because of the live. There's the live There's music on in here usually, but I turned it off because of the lives. Anyways, if you didn't catch my show at the beginning, this is his bed that's in. This is his bed that's in his sleep cage. So I put it out in the kitchen so he has somewhere to sit. So I thought, okay, well maybe his feet on the floor, his feet flat on the floor are hurting his feet. So he was so excited to see his bed, so he ran and sat on his bed, and then he got off his bed. That's what he does. He doesn't just sit like the other birds do. Right, Newman? I still got Newman. This is spoiled Oakley. We can't look at Rue because he just bounces all over the place. I know, I gotta get back into making merchandise for the birds. My socks are on order. I should check and see if they sent me a question today. They want to get it to me before Chinese New Year. I guess in China, where they manufacture stuff like socks and stuff. Chinese New Year's the 29th of January, but because all the people that live in the factory live far away, they're usually off for 2 weeks. Has he said, no, he can't sit on my shoulder, he'll fall. Yeah, my one rule from the vet, don't let him fall. He doesn't have a strong grip, so I have to really be careful with him when I lift him. Anyone recommend you anything, Lisa? We've been watching Squid Games. If you haven't seen Squid Games, we're on the second season. Pretty intense. We're on our last episode tonight. But I can only... No, he couldn't sit on the shower pole. He'd fall. He'd have to sit on the bottom. The second season is out now. That's what Brad and I have been watching all week. It gets really intense though, and I can only handle one show at a time. He says, "Are you sleeping?" No. Meanwhile, I'm sleeping. Well, they go in at 6. I've been putting them in at 6. Since they've been out all day. Well, they've been out since 1. What's it about? It's subtitles, but you get used to it. It's about this, people who have a gambling problem or whatever in Korea. They're offered this game they can go to, and it starts out with like 450 players or something like that, and then the games are kids' games, but if you lose, you get shot. So it kind of follows the characters and all that stuff and the tension and all that. Kind of sinister. With him sitting on top of the taxi. What did I say? Crush was too intense. Thank you, Linda. Can I put the white? Yeah, I was thinking of putting the carrier in the shower. No test results for Coco. They get shot. If they lose, they get shot. It's pretty brutal. It's a man's show, but if I want to watch TV, I have to watch that kind of stuff. I said to Bobby, can't we watch like a fun, like romance comedy? No. No, no, no. So I've kind of had to conform to watch gruesome shooting, and normally I just sit and do something at the kitchen table, and but I kind of felt like watching TV last couple weeks. Yeah, it's like the red light, green light game. Yeah, and if they don't make it to the end of the thing, they get shot. They have a dice game, a game where you have to get in groups. They say two, and you got to find two people to go into match up. But if you only have a certain time, if you don't match up, then you get killed. Yes. Brad's resigned himself to the birds, and I've resigned myself to his stupid shows. I remember it was like, we used to do this thing where, well, we would go see a movie I like, and then we'd go see a movie that he likes, right? That was early on in the relationship. And I wanted to see dog movies, and he would want to see things like Mel Gibson and stuff. Then it moved into, okay, I pick 3 movies when it's my turn. I pick 3 movies, and he has to pick one of the 3 movies. And then vice versa. Now it's like, it's his or nothing. Yeah, some people say, I've sold Kiwi's feathers. I've sold them on eBay. If I sell them all, if you sell a whole set, I save them. If you sell a whole set, you can get like $250 for it, for a set of feathers. You can sell them on eBay, but it's not really allowed. Do you have too many rules for your movies? Hi, Kondo. You're always coming in late. Anyway, so what? The last movie he saw was my pick. It was, what was that? Do you remember that movie, The Patient Gardener, or the something Gardener? It was like a romance. We had to go to the movie theater to see it, and like I was bored. Like that's The Patient Gardener, or it was in Africa or something. Who saw it? Like it was like the most boring movie. The feathers smell good. I don't really like stinky bird feathers. I don't think that people sell. It's more like exotic bird feathers, but you can try. Like feathers, like if I had a couple of orange ones from him, those would probably be valuable, but I don't have the patience to sell feathers, things like that. I don't have the patience to do that stuff anymore. Collect all the feathers and list them. I hate listing stuff. That is a Mousy Oakley screen. Constant Gardener, that's it, Marcia. It was like the last movie that Brad saw that I picked ever, and it wasn't a good movie. Mona. Those Disney movies, those cartoon movies are good. I don't smell my birds. The Bob Dylan movie? You like Minion movies? I don't understand the Minion ones. You want your medicine now? I have to hide it from Coco, though. Here, Coco. Coco knows what's fair and unjust. So now what he's going to do is he's going to scream for treats for the next hour until I shut the lights. I feel bad because because the birds are kind of miserable. Some of the birds whine and the others play quietly, right? So the ones that play quietly, the ones that play nice and quiet have to go to bed. Because the other ones are whiny. Rue's whiny. Kiwi and Newman are fine. Okay, here's your medicine. Good boy. We'll get your supper, okay? And then you can have your treats. Yeah, I'll make your dinner. Yo, see? He's happy now. No, he doesn't need the medicine song. He begs for medicine. The English patient. I don't know why that sounds familiar. See how happy he is? This guy's not. He wants a supper. So now he's going to start his shenanigans. I'm cooking it, Newman. Okay? See, he's doing his wings too. It's like a begging thing. You better not finish that nut fast. Doesn't that sound lovely of Newman's? No song for him. See how happy he is? He's a foodie. He loves food. His favorite food. I gotta go too, everybody. I gotta go get the other bird supper ready. Finish cleaning up. Yes, I put the medicine in the nut. I have finished cleaning up. Brad's gonna make dinner tonight. And, yeah. So, it takes me like an hour to put these birds to bed now. Okay, everyone, this is witching hour. Good night, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the star. Good night.